enrollment change form is used when enrolling or making changes to your optional long-term disability coverage after the first 31 days of becoming benefits eligible. You may make changes to your long-term disability coverage at any time. Depending on the change you are making, carrier approval may be required. This video addresses enrolling in or making changes to your long-term disability coverage after the first 31 days of eligibility. If you're enrolling within the first 31 days of eligibility, please view the video about enrolling in long-term disability coverage. Long-term disability insurance has two parts, basic and optional. The basic plan is employer paid. Your employer will automatically enroll you in the basic coverage with a 90-day benefit waiting period. The premiums for optional coverages are paid by you. The optional plan is available to most employees eligible for basic long-term disability. You decide the benefit waiting period that works best for you. If you are not sure you're eligible for optional long-term disability, check with your personnel, payroll, or benefits office. For a complete explanation of the long-term disability benefit, see the long-term disability plan booklet. Section 1 is your personal information. Complete all information in this section. Skip Section 2. Section 3 is for making changes to your optional long-term disability coverage. Select the checkbox next to the type of change you wish to make. The choices include enroll in optional coverage, increase the waiting period for your optional coverage, decrease the waiting period for your optional coverage, and cancel optional coverage. If you choose to enroll or to increase or decrease the waiting period, select the checkbox next to your desired waiting period. The choices include 30, 60, 90, 120, 180, 240, 300, or 360 days. Read the attestation. Sign and date the form. Return the form to your personnel, payroll, or benefits office. If you are applying for optional coverage for the first time after your initial 31 days of becoming benefits eligible, or you're requesting to decrease your waiting period, carrier approval is required. You must submit an evidence of insurability form to the carrier. The evidence of insurability form contains personal information. You have a right to protect that information under HIPAA law. If you have completed an evidence of insurability form, mail that form directly to the carrier. The address is on the second page of the form. Please do not mail an enrollment change form to the carrier. Return the enrollment change form to your personnel, payroll, or benefits office for processing.